Today I'm going to show you how to do a back swipe hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a back swipe hook, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your back scoop round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance with your swing knee on the ground, sort of like a lunge. From here, you're going to reach behind you, bring your swing leg around and jump off your other foot, switch your hands, spot your target, then throw your hook kick and finish the move in a backside stance. Now, the reason that you want to switch your hands in this move is because you actually want to be able to throw the hook kick. If you do not switch your hands before you throw your hook, it's going to be pretty hard to get that hook kick out. Now, of course, you can do this a few different ways, like spinning 180 degrees into the move. You can add a follow through, and you can also add a spin and a follow through together to get a bunch of momentum for this move. Now, remember that you want to make sure this kick comes out as you're landing or before you land the move. Also, keep in mind that this needs to be pretty slanted if you want to get a decent hook kick out. And like always, make sure that you're keeping your shoulder pressed up to your ears and you're really pushing through your arms and keeping them nice and firm when you are doing this trick. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd also like to thank all my patrons for supporting this channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be learning a pop back scoot round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz, guys.